Hello students, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the question number 10, that is the last question of exercise 6.2. You can see the question: the diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at a point O such that AO by BO equals to CO by DO, so that ABCD is a trapezium. Means you can observe one of the quadrilateral ABCD is given and the diagonal of quadrilateral ACBD are intersect each other at O, and such that AO by BO equals to CO by DO. We need to prove that ABC is a trapezium. As you know that trapezium is quadrilateral such that one pair of opposite sides is parallel. So we need to prove AB parallel to DC. So first of all, we can write here given part. So given, that is the AO by BO equals to CO by DO, that is already mentioned in the questions. And we need to prove ABC is a trapezium, means AB parallel to DC. So construction, we will have to construct one of the parallel lines from O. We can draw OE is parallel to draw OE is parallel to DC. Proof: we have one of the parallel lines, so we can apply the basic proportional theorem. We can take one triangle A B D in, and DC is all in triangle ADC. ADC here, ADC, and in triangle ADC OE is parallel to DC by constructions. So by BPT we can write here AE by DE equals to AO by CO, that is comes from BPT, and we have AO by BO and CO by DO. This is already given in the question. We will have to change in given part. We can write here AO by CO equals to BO by DO. So this is the equation number 1, and from equation 1 and 2 you can see AO by CO and AO by CO is common. So we can write here from equation 1 and equation 2 we can write AE by DE equals to BO by DO, means AE by DE equals to BO by DO. So by BP by CBPT we can write here OE is parallel to AB, and OE is parallel to AB. This is, and you can see here by construction we have OE is parallel to DC. So we can write here OE is parallel to AB, and here OE is parallel to DC. So you can observe OE and OE both are common, so we can write AB is parallel to DC, hence ABCD is a trapezium.